Check it out, guys. We got all the parts in the booth, and Paul has just finished taping up the fuel tank hole there. We don't want any paint going down into the fuel tank. And all the parts here, as you can see, we've got them all stabilized on our little magnets. Huge shout out to CarQuest for hooking us up with all these magnets right here. Check that out, man. Hey, even a shout out to Ben for the firewall. Guys, a lot of you don't know this, but that right there, that's the firewall from Ben's original Mustang. The one he cut in half. I'm actually thinking about cutting it into 1,000 pieces and selling them. $100 a pop. Little keychains.
Steep.
$75
a pop.
More like $175 a pop. That's a one of one rare all matching numbers firewall, Paul.
Never gonna do it again.
Yeah, that's never gonna happen ever again in this life or the next. Here we have the little shark grills. This is my favorite part of this bike. This little fin right here, or flare, whatever it is.
That sir right there is a fairing.
Is that what that is?
It's a fairing, bud. You don't know, back in the day, I used to make Harleys all the time. And
Yeah.
I'd bring me Harley parts all the time.
I remember.
All those Harleys.
I remember that guy. Hey, I like that trick.
Well, I mean, honestly, it's pointless because you done filled that in with primer, those threads in there.
But that's
Okay.
that's Loctite, Paul.
Yeah, I got you.
Ooh, what is that? Water?
That's your primer washing up.
Nah.
Yeah. I'm about to wipe it off. It's all gonna come off. You ready?
I just keep it. Why, you trying to give me a little heart attack or something?
No.
I'm trying to get this thing done. Bro, I did it. I may have missed a couple of spots.
Yeah, I'm gonna start spraying. There's gonna be those little fish eyes and all kinds of junk coming up. Cause
You know what we say in this business?
what?
It's good enough for who it's for.
Oh, come on now! Don't do yourself like that.
Hey man, I just want to feel the power. I don't care what it looks like.
You're not getting on that bike.
It says who?
Hey, I know a certain man who laid up for 6 months. I can't afford to have you laid up for 6 months. Who gonna run the channel?
I'm just gonna have to do it all from. I'm gonna have to live stream everything from the bed.
Guys,
Nah.
comment down below if you think Yuri should not even ride that bike once. Well, okay, once around the block at like 30 miles an hour. That's it.
How about once home and back?
No, that's too far. Between home and here, there's a lot of idiots. A lot. Do you not recall, Yuri, out there on those country roads in your little Ohio son, how you got rear-ended by a woman?
Yep.
And I don't know
Almost died.
How did you not fall?
Almost died.
Almost.
Hey, but this a 1,000, buddy. Ain't nobody creeping up on me like that.
But you got a backup camera? You gonna see?
Nah, I don't need no backup camera, bro.
You ain't even
I'm gonna have this thing pegged out 100 everywhere I go.
What'd you do?
Twist it out.
So how'd you twist it out?
I popped out of there, man. Max wrist. Max wrist, baby. Went right between them. They probably never even seen me. They could have crushed me, never even known.
Just ran over you. Feel like it was a speed bump.
Thump, thump, thump. Every axle
It
hit.
ain't worth it. Those of y'all who are wilding out there on those motorcycles,
Call me.
no, don't call him. Tell him about how dangerous it is.
Call me. Send Addy. Nah.
What do you mean?
Why am I gonna? Why do I need a bucket? Oh, this thing's gonna look good. Against all of Paul's advice, I've decided I'm going to simply assemble the bike. He said to wait like a million years. I don't know. I'm not waiting. I'm assembling the bike. The bike is getting assembled tonight. Tonight, the bike is getting assembled, and there's nothing anybody's gonna do about it. The only thing that's probably going to happen is I'm going to jack something up, and that's on me. So, you know, we're chilling. Dude, stop. Hey, quit getting violent, bro. Man, if you don't get your butt out of my face. I don't like the way this taillight fits, bro. Dog or cat. I definitely don't like that. But what am I supposed to do? Call China? You see the bike going together, cat. Probably gonna be some of my last days on this earth. You know what I'm saying? Hey, go play in the tree. You got a tree. You got a house. You have tunnels. I have the tail section installed, and that right there is not something that I'm down with. Yeah, look at that. Look at that light. What the heck is that? I have to get an original light. I screwed up, I bought that. I don't know why I bought that. It's making this come apart. It's all around no good. So don't ever buy aftermarket parts. That's a fact. I mean, I know that. I'm just an idiot. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this tank, get the new tank on the bike, and you know, get a couple more fairings on. Get away.
Thank you.
We messing with the fuel system now. Oh, we're messing with the fuel system now. The S1000 is about 98% done. And the reason why I have not been able to completely finish it is because I lost a few things that I had that I was supposed to have, and I lost them. So now I have to order some more, but it's okay. It's basically just the clips that hold the thing over here in the bottom, and then the clips that hold the windscreen. But you can't tell, you see? You know, I'm playing camera tricks on you. I actually haven't tightened down some stuff like this because I need some of those nylon nuts, and the paint is kind of fresh. So, you know, this is like the final finishing touches. It's about, like I said, 98% there. So I'm super excited. As soon as it's done, it's getting sold. Like, I don't need to be driving it, honestly. I really don't. I don't need to be on this bike. Look at this. You are looking at 200 horsepower for 434 pounds without the rider. I'm about 180. So if you do the math, it's like 630 or something like that. And so that is the horsepower to weight ratio to brains ratio. It doesn't jive. So, you know, we're gonna get rid of it. But I will do one long wheelie down the freeway at about 150 mile an hour for you guys, just to show you guys one lap. No, I'm kidding. Man, this thing looks so good. I need some decals. I forgot that. I'm gonna put some decals on it. My bad. Definitely putting decals on it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.